Okay, we're just going to have a wee quick look at the period of the graph. They sometimes throw in just a 1 mark exam question asking you to write down the period of the graph. Okay, if we have a look at this first one, it's a sine graph. It starts at 0. That is one normal sine graph, and there it starts repeating itself. So there would be wherever that is would be the period of the graph. Now we don't have a value there, so we need to keep going. There's the end of my second one. There's the end of my third one. So I have 3 of them in 360 degrees. So to get the period of the graph, I need to do 360 divided by 3, which gives me 120 degrees. Next one, a bit trickier because it's a tan graph. Have a look at this one. It starts here. Cool. Down to there. And it starts repeating itself right here. That's where it starts repeating itself. Now, a normal tan graph looks like that. So you normally have 2 of them in 360. Well, the period of a normal tan graph would be 180 rather than the 360. We've got 2 of these in 180. So we're going to get 4 in 360. So we need to do 180 divided by 4, or we can just read it off the graph. So the period of that graph would be 45 degrees. See, we've got cos 20x. That means there's 3. Where did I get 3 from? It's because I was writing 3 for 360. That means there's 20 of them 360. So do 360 divided by 20, which gives me 18 degrees. Imagine what that would look like. Cos graph repeating itself every 18 degrees. D, not interested in the number at the front. It's only the number in front of the x that I'm interested in. Period of a tan graph is 180. It's half of them in 180. So I'm doing 180 divided by a half. Dividing by a half is the same as timing by 2. So that would have a period of 360 degrees. Last one. Sine graph, quarter. X, not interested in the 5, it's just the number in front of the x. So I'm doing 360 divided by a quarter. Dividing by a quarter is the same as timesing by 4, which is what, 360, 720, 1440 degrees. So it wouldn't start repeating itself until it had gone through 1440 degrees.